Exercise 1.3 17th question. A function for exchanging American dollar for Singapore dollar on a given day is f of x is equal to 1.23x, where x is the American number of American dollar. On the same day, the function for exchanging Singapore dollar to Indian rupees is g of y is equal to 50.50y, where y represents the number of Singapore dollar. Okay, write a function which will give exchange rate of American dollar in terms of Indian dollar. Okay, so they have given you first f of x is equal to 1.23x, where x is what? American dollar. This function converts this American dollar into Singapore dollar. So instead of f of x, I can write y, because y is what? Number of Singapore dollars. So I can write this as y is equal to 1.23x. Okay. Now next they are giving you another function, g of y. What is this function doing? Converting the Singapore dollar to Indian rupee. What is that function? 50.50y. So actually this g of y is Indian rupee. So let me represent Indian rupee by z. So Indian rupee, let me put it as z. So what I will have is z is equal to 50.50y. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now read the last sentence of the question. Write a function which will give the exchange rate of American dollar in terms of Indian rupee. So you have to find out an equation to change the exchange, find the exchange rate of American dollar in terms of Indian rupee. ஸோ என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, நம்ம எக்ஸ் இசட் வச்சு ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இன் தட் நோ ஒய் ஷுட் பி தர். ஓகே, ஒய்யே கிடையாது. அமெரிக்கன் டாலர், இந்தியன் ருபி, தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஸோ தெர் இஸ் நோ ஒய். ஹவு டு ரிமூவ் ஒய்? யூஸிங் ஈக்குவேஷன் 1 அண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் 2. சப்ஸ்டியூட் the first equation in second equation. So what I will have in second equation is that I have to write as it is 50.50. Instead of this y, see your first equation. What is our y? 1.23x. So I wrote that. Now I have to remove the bracket. For removing the bracket, what I should do? I should multiply 50.50 into 1.23. Okay, don't bother about the 0. Last I shall put 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Next, one table, 1 5s are 5, 0 5. Add it up. 5 1, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11, 2. So you will have 62 decimals, 1 2 3 4. So 1, we have to add one more 0. Here I have left one 0. So 1 2 3 4. So I should keep the decimal point here. So what I will have? 62.1150. உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், டெசிமலுக்கு அப்புறம் 0 வந்தால் அதை விட்டுடலாம். We have to write this x. So this is what they are asking. We have to express American dollar in terms of Indian rupee. It is a 2-mark question.